Atkins Civil 3D Video Series, SWR 1B, SWR Base Drawing. This video illustrates A. Update SWR Base Drawing, B. Set Pipe Network SWR Parts List, C. SWR Default Settings, and D. SWR Layer Colors for Source Drawing. The current drawing is a SWR improvement drawing that was created using procedures set forth in Video EX1A. The road improvement objects were incorporated into the project base drawing using the procedures set forth in Video Reference Road and via XREF are shown in the current drawing. Set Pipe Network Catalog, Home Ribbon Design Panel, the arrow to the right, Set Pipe Network Catalog, Catalog Folder, C Program Data, Autodesk, C3D the year, ENU, Pipe Catalog, US Imperial Pipe Catalog, Structure Catalog, US Imperial Structure Catalog. OK. Check the current SWR parts lists, settings, expand pipe network, expand parts list. The various part lists are shown. There are some for storm. There is C SWR service, existing SWR demo, existing SWR service, existing SWR service demo. The reason for the various parts lists for the SWR is that there is a style column associated with the parts list. The line work is bold for the C SWR. And it is thinner for the existing SWR. In order for the pipes and structures to have the desired style, the correct parts list must be used in the initial creation of the part network system. Check available types and sizes in the C SWR parts list. Right-click C SWR, edit. In the pipes column, high-density polyethylene pipe from 3-inch to 64-inch, PVC pipe 4-inch to 60-inch. In structures, there's a null structure. Null structures are used to connect two pipes together without a manhole. Concentric manholes from 48-inch diameter to a 96-inch, these are inside diameters. Eccentric manhole, 48-inch diameter to 96-inch, 4-inch cleanouts. To add a type of pipe, right-click the C SWR, add part family. Select type of pipe from the list that's available. We're going to add the ductile iron. OK. To add the pipe sizes, right-click the name, add part sizes. The different part sizes are available that can be selected. It's faster and easier just to add all sizes. Check the appropriate box in the Add All Size column. OK. All the pipe sizes for ductile iron pipe have been added. OK. Similar procedures are used for the structures. SWR defaults are initially set for existing SWR since they are the first to be created. Tool space, settings, right-click the drawing name, edit, object layers, pipe is existing SWR, pipe labeling, existing SWR text, pipe and structure table, existing SWR text, pipe network section, existing SWR, pipe or structure profile, existing SWR, structure, existing SWR, structure labeling, existing SWR text. OK. Right-click pipe network, edit feature settings, default styles. The main defaults to be checked is pipe's default style, existing SWR, structure default style, existing SWR, structure plan label style, existing SWR plan, pipe plan label style, existing SWR plan, structure profile label style, existing SWR profile, pipe profile label style, existing SWR profile, structure section label style, existing SWR plan, and default parts list, existing SWR. In the default name format, the first four are generally left as default. Structure name template is manhole next counter. The number style available is 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, etc. The ones you use for existing is 0, 1, 0, 2, and 0, 3, starting number 1. OK. For the pipe, same thing. Number style 0, 1, 0, 2, and 0, 3. 010203 for the existing use 001, 002, etc. for the construction, or the C-sewer. Okay. Pipe rules, default rules. Pipe default rules, the sewer. Structure default rules, the sewer. Pipe network defaults. Generally, the first three are left as is, but the utility type is sanitary. Storm sewer mitigation defaults. Generally, storm drain improvements are mitigated. The sewer improvements are hardly ever mitigated. Default profile label placement for pipes. Anchor point option is fixed. Elevation value for pipes is 0. Plot height value for pipes is 0.0. Anchor option for structures is fixed. Anchor elevation value is 0. The anchor plot height is 0. Structure label placement is at top of structure. Default section label placement, generally these are left as default. Okay. Pipe rule set for sewer. Right click, edit. These are the general pipe rules for sewer. Maximum cover 10, maximum slope 15%, minimum cover 5 feet, minimum slope 0.4, maximum length 350 feet, minimum length 1 foot. Set pipe end location at the structure inner wall for the end and the start. End and the start all set is 0. Okay. Structure rule set, sewer. Edit. Drop reference location is the pipe's in and out to be referenced to the crown. Normal drop value is 1/10. Maximum drop value is 2. Maximum pipe size check is 2 foot or 24 inch. These rules, what they're set for is any time that you do not comply with the rules, you will get a warning note. Then you can either ignore the warning or continue on. Okay. The layer manager is currently open and shows the colors as recommended by Atkins for the sewer objects created in the sewer improvement source drawing for the C-sewer layers and for the EX-sewer layers. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.